coordination compounds. So this question is asking, arrange the following complexes in the increasing order of delta O, that is CFSE. So for CFSE we have to understand that on what factors CFSE depends. So CFSE depends on two factors majorly that I can see here that are changing. So I can find out the cobalt is there. So in all the three complexes they have given the metal cobalt, but they have changed the ligand and they have changed the oxidation state. So in option A they have given cobalt with water in +2 oxidation state. In option B they have given cobalt, water as a ligand and in +3 oxidation state, and in option C they have given cobalt with ethylene diamine as the ligand with the 3 to make coordination number equal to 6 and in +3 oxidation state. So in B and C I can see this cobalt is given in +3 oxidation state. This cobalt is given in +3 oxidation state, but here in option A cobalt is given in +2 oxidation state. So basically the CFSE, the delta O value is directly proportional to the oxidation state of the central metal atom. So if greater is the oxidation state, so we can say it will be having more CFSE. One more thing I think you would know that cobalt in +2 oxidation state and with water or the oxygen ligands as a donor. So this cobalt with this water in this state, this behaves as weak field ligand. This behaves as weak field ligand, but cobalt in +3 oxidation state with water, it shows strong field ligand behavior. So stronger is the strength of the ligand, more will be its CFSE value. So if I have to compare the strength of the ligands, so one thing that we know, in ethylene diamine nitrogen is behaving as a ligand, as a donor atom, and in water this oxygen is behaving as the donor atom. So if we have to compare the strength of the ligand, so I can say that ethylene diamine, this is the strength of the ligand, so I can say ethylene diamine is stronger than water. So one thing is confirmed that in option C cobalt is present in +3 oxidation state, it means oxidation state is also higher, and in option C we have stronger ligand. So that the one thing more, delta O is directly proportional to the strength of the ligand. Greater is the strength of the ligand, more will be the delta O CFSE. So in option C we have cobalt in +3 with the strongest ligand, that all we have. In option A and B, how can I compare that? Cobalt is given +2 oxidation state with water as the ligand, but in option B cobalt is given in +3 oxidation state with water as the ligand. So here this water is behaving as the stronger ligand, it is SFL. So I can say that option C would be having the strongest or the maximum CFSE, then option B and then option A. So this should be the order. So I can find this order in option 2.